mom ran behind you with a wrist full of almonds and a glass of milk and forced you to consume all those. But you didn't have any taste buds for that stuff, right? Almonds. Why I am supposed to consume them? No, I regret it today when I came to know all the enormous benefits of almonds, especially almond oil and its benefit for our skin, hair, and many more. So today we will talk about this Noveni 100% natural sweet almond oil, which is extracted by the method of cold press from the finest almond kernels. And I am personally using it since 5 months. It is really great for our skin and hair. This almond oil is loaded with all the necessary vitamins, vitamin A, B, E, D, and also rich in antioxidant. So let's say goodbye to our dry and flaky skin and say hi to our nourished, moisturized and healthy skin and hair. This Spanish Noveni sweet almond oil has been sourced from the field of almond from Spain, and in this video you are going to learn about all the various applications of this sweet almond oil. But before that, I am going to tell about all the nutrients that are present in this oil. The very foremost important nutrients are vitamin A, vitamin E, omega-3, fatty acids and zinc. Every nutrient has specific function. If I talk about vitamin A stimulates the production of new skin cells and reduce the fine lines and wrinkles. And if I talk about vitamin E, it provides an oil at its antioxidant properties, which helps to protect our skin cells from UV rays and free radicals. And omega-3 and fatty acids helps to prevent the premature aging, and zinc helps to heal our skin scars. So in this video now we will learn about how you have to use this sweet almond oil. We all fight with the problems of acne every day. So now we have a permanent solution, sweet almond oil. What we have to do is just warm 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and add few drops of sweet almond oil from Noveni. I am using Noveni oil. And now rub it into your fingers. It helps the oil to get absorbed easily into the skin. And make sure to apply in a circular upward motion like this. Keep it for at least 1 hour or overnight according to your tolerance level. And after that, wash it with a mild face wash. Everyone wants our skin to be glowing and clear. For this, almond oil is really very beneficial. What you have to do is just add few drops of almond oil, Noveni almond oil, to olive oil and just apply it to your skin. Over forehead. Almond oil helps to fight all the wrinkles and sagging of the skin. And for all those who always complains about their slow growth rate of hair, sweet almond oil is also the solution for this too. What you have to do is just take your regular coconut oil and add few drops of Noveni sweet almond oil. And massage it to your hair around 20 to 30 minutes before going to sleep. Repeat this twice a week for the better results. And in the next morning, you can wash your hair with a mild shampoo and you will notice a miracle change in your hair. Almond oil is one of the best oil for massage therapy. Can be used both by adult and children. What you have to do is just warm a half bowl of coconut oil and add 5 to 6 drops of almond oil and just apply all over your body before going to sleep, and next day just take a shower. Another excellent property of almond oil is almond oil also helps to make your lips smooth and activate your cells. What you have to do is just take your regular lip balm and add 1 drop of almond oil to it. And apply it to your lips. And keep it as long as you can. Now I wanted to make you aware of all the necessary precautions and safety measures you should take before using this sweet almond oil. Number 1. Though the use of this oil is completely safe, but I recommend you to always consult an expert advice before using it, because it may vary from gender to gender, skin type, and many other multiple factors. Number 2. If you are already suffering from any kind of disease, always consult an expert advice before using it. Number 3. All the pregnant women and breastfeeding mothers should always take extra care and always use this oil with an expert supervision. So here I am ending this video. I hope you got all the necessary information about this sweet almond oil, and if you want to share any views, do comment.